The referendum is of great political significance, but the Act of Parliament which established it did not say what should happen as a result. So any change in the law to give effect to the referendum must be made in the only way permitted by the UK Constitution, namely by an Act of Parliament.
Britain's Supreme Court ruled that the government can't trigger Brexit without an Act of Parliament. The vote was a majority of 8-3. The ruling marks a political blow to Prime Minister Theresa May, just 2 months before she plans to formally start Britain's exit from the European Union.
Of course, the government is disappointed with the outcome, but we have the good fortune to live in a country where everyone, every individual, every organisation, even government, is subject to the rule of law. So the government will comply with the judgment of the court and do all that is necessary to implement it. The court has been very clear throughout the hearing of this case that it has not been deciding whether the United Kingdom should or should not leave the European Union. The people of the United Kingdom have already made that decision, and now enacting that decision will be a political matter and not a legal matter.
Mrs. May is expected to get consent from Parliament, but the process could still be complicated. The case has been one of the most politically charged in decades. After the High Court ruled against the government in November, pro-Brexit activists called the decision an attempt to overturn the results of the referendum. The pro-Brexit Daily Mail newspaper said the 3 High Court judges that ruled on the case were enemies of the people. The case was brought by a group of British citizens opposed to Brexit, with the help of some of the UK's top constitutional lawyers.